help and advice for some of you newer hams. See, I'm standing in the rain, and it leads to today's question and answer. Question. Boy, this rain really sucks, doesn't it? Answer. No! What, are you crazy? Get a grip on your emotions, son. It's raining. See those zip tie remnants? Yeah? The rain's not going to cost you your antenna fund. Me, I wanted to take 3 inches out of each counterplace while you're on my test vertical. You think the rain's going to stop me? Answer, no. But what the rain did stop me from doing was working on the house. No, none of that, man. Working on restoring the shed? No. Plant the garden? No, no, no. It's ham radio antenna day in the rain. And when I'm done out here, I'm going to go in and dry off and change into something warm and cozy and settle in with my rig for the day. That's what happens in the pouring rain. 73.